everyone. Alicia Disantis here with another episode of Branding Tips Tuesday. Last week, someone asked me, "What is branding?" And I thought that was a really wonderful question because a lot of people don't really know what it is. It's kind of a weird, esoteric thing. So I told them branding is the why and marketing is the what. So, for example, let's say you have a new product or service and you're launching it and you want to send an email campaign to your list of followers and subscribers, announcing the product with various calls to action, maybe an incentive. That's the what. Branding would ask why. Why did you launch this product? Why should your list of subscribers care? Why would they see value in this product? Why is it different from other products that are out there? And lastly, why would they click that call to action? Why would they care that you're doing this? So, those are the things you want to think about, that everything should funnel back to your brand goals, your values, your mission and vision statement. So, this new product, let's say it will improve the user experience. It's a new and improved feature that will save them 10 minutes out of every hour. That's great. That's the why. The why is the efficiency and the time savings and the what's in it for them. So that's the difference between branding and marketing. I'll see you next Tuesday.